Can you name me a task a mechanical engineer does? Most people have no clue what this job is about. My goal is to get a college degree in mechanical engineering. I like to work on with machines and I like to try to make them better, and that is why I'm interested in this degree. I'll be telling you what it is like to be one, how to become one, what the job includes, and the daily life of one. Let's start with how to become a mechanical engineer. The first step is to get a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. This opens up a wide variety of job possibilities. Mechanical engineering is one of the most broad and diverse engineering categories. I would like to go to the University of Iowa State because they have a good engineering program. I know it would be hard, but I'm up to the challenge and I'm confident that I could do it. According to the Iowa State website in 2014, they're in the top 30% across the nation. Some of the skills needed to become a good mechanical engineer is you have to have high attention to detail, high IQ and math skills. You have to be able to work on computers for long hours and have good mechanical aptitude. Now to what the job includes. Some of the best parts of the job is you can work with high-tech software and machinery. You can solve problems that raise productivity. You can see something that you designed being built and used. According to Justin Wynn, a 2008 graduate from University of Nebraska-Lincoln, he says, when you're doing research, you get thrown into things you haven't learned yet. That's what you know what you're capable of, and you become confident in your work. Some of the worst parts of the job is being responsible. For example, if you screw up on a machine, the company could lose money, and that's not a good thing. Some big projects can get long and boring at times too. The starting salary of an engineer around Omaha, Nebraska is $55,000 to $60,000 a year. After about 5 years of being an engineer, you usually get promoted to being a senior engineer. This means that you manage 1 to 3 other people. This also adds to your salary. The usual work attire for most businesses is a business casual. This means that you can wear khakis and polos to work every day. Now let's go through the typical day of a mechanical engineer. One thing you do is you go to brainstorming meetings with the company to decide on what your goals are. You have to work on software to design machines, and you have to work with machine technicians to make machines better. Mechanical engineers often get promoted quickly throughout the business. Companies hire mechanical engineers because they know they have to be smart and they know they have to be able to solve problems to make it through the college. Many CEO and vice presidents have mechanical engineering degrees too. Another quote from the Daily Nebraskan, Wynn says, there are going to be a lot of people trying to get the same jobs at the same time, and having this degree puts you at a higher level. Overall, this degree gives you tons of opportunities, and that's one of the biggest factors for me to go there too. This is how you become an engineer, what the job includes, and the daily life of one. I hope you learned about mechanical engineering throughout my speech, and I hope you can tell me something that they do know. I'd also like to thank Brian Christensen for an interview that I used to research throughout my speech. He has a degree from the University of Northern Iowa, and he's the VP of Operations at Airlight Plastics. He had a degree and has been very successful with it, and that's another reason that I want to have that degree too. Thank you.